What's up family, welcome to our channel. My name is Vedant, and in this video I've just taken a challenge to build a landing page of website, but the challenge is to build it under 20 minutes. Yes guys, so we have just taken a challenge to build a landing page under 20 minutes, and that's a bit difficult because we are building in Figma and I'm new to it. Literally guys, I haven't been used Figma, like I have just started to be using it since a week ago, and now I'm just taking that stupid challenge. So let's just see what would be happening. And should we start our time now? And let's just start it in 3, 2, 1, go. Awesome, so our time has been started, and let's just first take a frame and let it be our desktop. Awesome, let's just call it as landing page. Okay, and so I have just searched for coffee right here, and let's just go with coffee in like cup or like glass. Glass would be a bit better. Okay, this we can just go with. It's looking like very delicious, but the quality is very low. We'll be taking this image, and I really don't know it is what it is, coffee or not. Let's just paste this image right here, and a good thing is I have a plugin remove.pg, so yes, I will be using that. And still the time it is removing, let's just go with coffee logo, because I do not know how to make logo in like Figma. And I just go with images, and which logo can we just take? This one, and I just take this one. Okay, and love coffee. Okay, this one is looking pretty good. I just copy it, paste it right there, and nope, paste. Awesome. Let's just decrease a bit and remove it background, and awesome. So first let's just give a background color to our this website. It can be a bit in lightish shade. Let's just see. Maybe it can be in yellowish, like that. I'll just changing it a bit afterwards. Okay, let's take a circle and like that. This can be here, this can be like that. We can just tilt, and let's change the color to maybe yellow or like orangish, something like that. And it can be somewhere here. This can be like that. Also, can we just remove it now also? Like if I just want it cup only, let's just try. Okay, it's removing. Alright, it has not been removed. I just come to remove.pg, and I just paste it. Awesome, and let's just come to it, erase. Alright, so let's just drag and drop it into our area, and here we have it now, which is looking a bit awesome than previous one. This can be like more tilted like that, and can be here. Okay, I'll be just adjusting it a bit later. Let's just go for nav bar. Alright, a logo. Then we want like quick links, so let's just go with home, and we would be using pop-ins for now, and this could be 20 or 25 is a bit better, and it can be like a regular, and let's just paste it multiple times. Okay, this can be about products contact us. Awesome. Let's just group it, this whole group, and can we drag and drop it to here. Alright, so I just thought to build a, let's just wait a second. Okay, let's just group this whole, can be somewhere here. Alright, so I've just thought to build a button which would be a login button. So let's just have a rectangle like that, and can have a bit border radius, and the color could be like a yellow only, and this can just say login, and alright, everything would be same. Let's just decrease its width a bit, and height just like that. Let's just group it and drop it here, and this can be come here. Alright, so I guess this is looking a bit better than previous one. And let's just, what is happening, like, okay, and this can be like that. I can just drop it and for sign up, or let's just leave it for sign up, no issue at all. And let's just group this whole, let's just ungroup it, and this would be our new group. Awesome. And let's just have a text right here. First, let's just see time. Right, 10 minutes is remaining, and let's just like text could be like coffee only, and let's just push it font size to 100, or like 150. It would be medium, can be somewhere here. Then another text like start, let's just decrease it to 50. Start your day by an awesome coffee, something like that we could just go with. And this would be light, and let's just push it to 30, and let's just have it here just like that. Awesome. And we could just have a button for order now, something like that, and let's just make it here. Awesome. And we would be having a bit of border radius like that. Then text order now. Cool. First, let's just give a background color to this button, which would be in a lightish shade only, like that. Or which this one is looking pretty good, like purplish again. And let's just go with here. This can have go with regular or medium, like regular, no issue. 25, like that. And also I guess I have an idea. Okay, 8 minutes are remaining. I just have next logo or icon, something like next icon. And yes, we can have this type of icon. We want it a bit light like that. Let's just copy it and paste it here and remove its background. Awesome. And I can just decrease its bit. This can be a bit shifted, and this can come over here. Or now looking awesome. We could have something, I'm just thinking a bit more like that. We could have something like that. Put its opacity down, and some can just like that. Alright, this is looking more attractive or awesome, you can just say. And I just group it together, and this can be here. This can also have a group and be shifted here. Alright, so this is the final result, and let's just check out the time. Let's do 3 minutes, and 3.5 minutes is remaining, and let's just stop it here only. Let's just go. We have just created in 16.5 minutes, or you can say 16.30 minutes. We have just created it. Alright guys, let me just know in comment how does it looks, and is it really worth for 16.30 minutes. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow me on Instagram, like I'm here, and if you have any of the doubt you can just DM me, and all the source code will be there. And just meant for this video. I'll be meeting in the next video. Till the time, bye bye guys.